Nagkakilala kami sa kaibigan, sa inuman. Inintroduce siya sa akin ng mga kaibigan. Magkakaibigan kami. Classmate ko rin.
Sa kaibigan, yun, doon kami nagkakilala. Siyempre, umiinom yun. Bungis-ngis. Yun lang. Kasi sobrang ang ingay tumawag. Alam mo yun, nakakabulahaw ng kapitbahay.
Siyempre, nung naging kami na, nung naging close kami, hanggang sa binigyan na kami ng baby rent.
Sana, yung pagkakilala ko sa kanya, hanggang huli, parehas. Sana yung pangarap namin matupad. Simple, di ba? Yung hanggang huli, hanggang pagtanda, hanggang bumati ang buhok, magkasama kami.
Sa bride to be ko, sana lahat ng mga darating na pagsubok, malampasan namin. Tsaka, lagi ang tatandaan na mahal ko siya. Eto na yung inintay nating moment. I love you.
It's not everything it seems. The world and its dreams slipping like water through my hands tonight. All the things I thought would fill me up.
Wala, kaibigan lang. Sarap maging kaibigan. Sarap pala maging asawa.
And now I know why. All along I was looking for something else. You're something else. All along I was looking for something more. You're so much more. I finally found what I could never see before. You've always been the one that I was looking for. All of my castles in the sand washed away again, and I'm left right where I began tonight. The only thing that can ever fill me up has been right in front of me all the time. All along I was looking for something else. You're something else. All along I was looking for something more. You're so much more.
Hindi naman pumonya o kasala hindi dapat pasukin o walang pakundangan o walang pagpapayo.
The one that I was looking for. And I won't miss you. I won't miss you this time. And I said I want you. How I want you in my life.
Kahit na anong pag-aaway yung dalawa, daanin nyo lang sa hinay-hinay. Hirap maghiwalay.